Convert video audio to text with Prism. To convert video audio to text, add your files in Prism. On the Output Format dropdown, select .txt speech recognition. Click File Options, select the desired speech engine, and click OK. Click Convert to start converting video audio to text. Continue watching for more details on how to convert video audio to text with Prism. To begin, import your video files into Prism by clicking the Add Files button at the top left of the screen. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop your videos into the Prism window. Note that video files must have an audio track to be converted. Once your videos are added, select .txt speech recognition as your output format from the drop-down menu at the bottom of the screen. Then, click the File Options button to open the speech recognition settings. In the Speech Recognition Settings dialog, choose your preferred speech engine from the drop-down menu. For the best accuracy, we recommend using the Prism AI machine learning speech engine. Some speech engines recommend creating and selecting a speaker profile to increase accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. Next, select all files by pressing Ctrl+A, or manually select multiple files by holding down the Control key while clicking on each file. When you're ready, click Convert to start the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, click the Open Output Folder button to view your newly converted text files. We recommend reviewing the text file and quickly fixing any errors that the speech engine may have made. For more Prism tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.